Welcome to Jaipur, India, the vibrant pink city that combines majestic forts, colorful markets, and rich cultural heritage. In this video, we'll guide you through some of the best hotels and guest houses to enhance your stay in this royal city. Number 1. Umaid Bhawan, a heritage-style boutique hotel. Located in the heart of Jaipur, Umaid Bhawan offers a charming blend of heritage and luxury. The hotel features beautifully decorated rooms with traditional Rajasthani architecture. Each room provides modern amenities, including air conditioning and free Wi-Fi. The property is just a short drive from famous attractions like Hawa Mahal and City Palace. Guests love the rooftops restaurant, which offers stunning views on the city. It's perfect for couples and families looking for an authentic royal experience. Number 2. Pearl Palace Heritage, the boutique guest house. For a unique and artistic stay, Pearl Palace Heritage is top choice for you. This boutique guest house offers individually themed rooms, each showcasing local craftsmanship. The vibrant decor and attention to detail make it a favorite among design enthusiasts. Located close to Jaipur's top attractions, including Jantar Mantar and Amber Fort, this guest house is ideal for travelers seeking a cultural and immersive experience. Guests love the friendly staff and cozy ambience. Number 3. Sarovar Premier Jaipur. If you're looking for a modern luxurious stay, Sarovar Premier Jaipur is a great option for you. This hotel offers spacious, elegantly furnished rooms with amenities like flat-screen TVs, free Wi-Fi and an outdoor swimming pool. Situated just a 10-minute drive from the bustling Johari Bazaar, Sarovar Premier provides both convenience and comfort. Guests love the excellent hospitality and the in-house restaurant that serves a mix of local and international cuisines. Number 4. Holiday Inn Jaipur City Centre. For a stay that combines comfort and convenience, Holiday Inn Jaipur City Centre is a fantastic option for you. Located close to the city's shopping hubs, this hotel offers well-furnished rooms with all modern amenities. The property also boasts a rooftop pool, fitness center, and multiple dining options. With its central option, you are just a short drive away from Jaipur's iconic landmark like Jantar Mantar and the City Palace. Perfect for business travelers and families alike. Number 5. Arya Niwas. For a budget-friendly stay without compromising on comfort, Arya Niwas offers spacious rooms, a peaceful garden, and an excellent vegetarian restaurant. It's conveniently located near the major attractions, including the iconic Amber Fort and Hawa Mahal. Guests appreciate the homely ambience, cleanliness, and friendly staff. Ideal for solo travelers and family looking for a relaxed traditional stay in Jaipur. So friends, are you ready to experience the magic of Jaipur? By staying at one of these hand-picked properties, you'll ensure your trip is comfortable and memorable. Book now using the links below for the best rates and hassle-free experience. Safe travels.